For over 200 years, the main industry in the Ogwen Valley has been slates. Indeed, the whole area depended on slate for a living. At one time, 3,000 men or so were employed at this massive Penrhyn slate quarry. Today, there are just 200 men working here. Like every other industry, slate must move with the times, and it is only comparatively recently that it has done so. Only now are the old methods giving way to the new ways that do not require so many men. For some years it has been obvious that new industry is needed to supplement slate. For instance, this small advanced factory being built at Bethesda is nearly ready, but there is need for still more and bigger factories in the area. Fully aware of this need, the Carnarvonshire County Council decided that a large factory should be built, and that is why they have given approval to develop these 40 acres for industry. Now, 40 acres is a great deal of land and will obviously take a pretty large factory to fill it up. A man who has for years advocated a large factory to supplement the slate industry in Ogwen is Mr. Emrys Williams, member of the Carnarvonshire County Council and of the Ogwen Rural District Council. Mr. Williams, why is it you want such a large factory here?
Because of the decline in the slate industry, which has been going on for years. And our men are travelling out to the area daily for employment. We have no security, we have no staple industry here. About over 700 people are travelling out to the area daily.
What kind of an industry do you want here then?
Well, we should get one of the heavy industries here, staple industry.
When you say heavy industry, you mean steel and so forth?
Steel, iron and aluminium and some of the heavier industries.
Don't you think this would be rather unfortunate, belching black smoke at the edge of the national park?
No, I don't think so. Modern factories do not belch out so much smoke as all that. We are on the fringe of the national park, but we're down very low. We're nearly on the coast. We're in the lowlands. I don't think this would make any difference to the national park aspect at all.
Now, how many men do you think will be employed by this huge factory?
We need an employment that would employ between 1,500
and
1,500.
Have any approaches been made to the Board of Trade or any other government departments about getting industry to the site?
Well, we've been very active since 1955 when the Industrial Committee of Ogwen and Bethesda was formed. We have continually been approaching ministers and we've sent a deputation to London and we have met officials of the Board of Trade.
Well, now that the site has been designated by the Carnarvonshire County Council for industrial purposes, how much longer will the people of Ogwen have to wait for work?
Well, they might have to wait some few months longer because there are some obstacles most likely, but I have enough confidence in the Carnarvonshire County Council and the appropriate committee that they will overcome these in time.